Are you tired of feeling financially stressed and uncertain about your future? Then this video is for you. We're sharing 7 money rules that can help you achieve financial success in 2023 and beyond. From setting financial goals and creating a budget to investing wisely and protecting your assets, these tips will help you take control of your money and build a strong financial foundation. So don't wait, watch now and take the first step towards financial success. However, before I get into the topic, please do me a favor. Subscribe and hit the like button because it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Today, we're talking about 7 money rules for financial success that can help you achieve financial success in 2023. Rule number 1. Set financial goals. Setting financial goals is an important first step towards achieving financial success. Before you can start working towards financial success, you need to know what it looks like for you. Do you want to save up for a down payment on a house? Pay off your student loans? Or build up an emergency fund? Whatever your goals may be, it's important to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve. One tip for setting financial goals is to make your goals specific and measurable. Instead of saying, "I want to save more money," try setting a specific goal like, "I want to save $10,000 in emergency savings over the next year." Rule number 2. Create a budget. A budget is a roadmap for your money. It helps you understand where your money is going and make smart financial decisions. Take some time to track your spending and see where you can cut back or save more. A budget is an important tool for managing your money and achieving your financial goals. A budget helps you understand where your money is going and make informed decisions about your spending and saving. It also helps you stay on track and avoid overspending or getting into debt. Rule number 3. Save, save, save. It's never too early to start saving for the future. Even if you can only afford to save a small amount each month, it's important to get into the habit of saving. Think about setting up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account to make it easier to save. Saving early and taking advantage of compound interest can be a powerful combination for building wealth over time. Rule number 4. Invest wisely. If you have some extra money to work with, investing can be a great way to grow your wealth. But it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Consider working with a financial advisor to help you make informed decisions about your investments. It's important to do your research and make informed investment decisions based on your individual financial situation and goals. Rule number 5. Protect your assets. Make sure you have the right insurance coverage to protect yourself and your assets. This can include health insurance, life insurance, and homeowners or renters insurance. Protecting your assets with insurance can help you financially if something unexpected happens, such as a natural disaster or a car accident. Make sure you have adequate insurance coverage for your home, car, and other valuable possessions. Plan for the future. It's never too early to start planning for retirement. Consider setting up a 401k or IRA to help you save for the future. If your employer offers a retirement plan, be sure to contribute as much as you can. It's important to note that retirement planning is a long-term process, and it's never too early to start. The sooner you start saving and investing for retirement, the more time your money has to grow and the more likely you are to achieve your retirement goals. Rule number 7. Keep learning. Financial success is a journey, not a destination. Make sure you're always learning and staying up to date on the latest financial trends and strategies. This can help you make informed decisions about your money and achieve your financial goals. Continuing to learn and educating yourself about personal finance improves your financial literacy. This will come in handy in making informed financial decisions in 2023 and beyond. We hope these 7 money rules for financial success will help you achieve financial success in 2023 and beyond. By following these strategies, you can effectively manage your money and set yourself up for a bright financial future. Review and adjust your plan regularly. Your financial situation and goals are likely to change over time, So it's important to regularly review and adjust your plan to make sure it's still on track. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more financial tips and advice. Like this next video. 10 Money Rules for Financial Success. Subscribe and hit the like button because it really helps with the YouTube algorithm.